Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Lola's Kitchen. Inshallah everyone is doing good. I'm back with another recipe, nafara. Before we get started, please subscribe and hit your ring bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I'll be showing you how to make fura. I have a fura recipe in my old videos, but this is a new way. And guys, the moment you start making fura this way, there's no going back. So I'm talking in less than 30 minutes you will have fura. So first thing we need is some millet. If you're in the US or anywhere in the world, we can mail you the millet. Our millet already have all the spices you need. If yours don't have any, like sukanamfari, ginger, black pepper, you have to add some. But if you buy it from us, already has everything, so you're good to go. So basically you're doing this as if you're going to do talike, but a little bit thicker. And then now you're doing this as if you're going to do two. So basically it's like you're making poo-poo. After that, you transfer it into a different bowl with a little bit of the millet powder, make the balls, and fura is ready. Like I said, this is the best and easiest way to make fura. You can always freeze it whenever you need some. Bring it out of the freezer, throw it in the microwave for a few minutes, and then mutinya dama shikina. Let me know what you guys would like to see next on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.